Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful textured headband. All you need is some medium weight cotton yarn and a hair tie and a size G 4.25 or a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and let's get started. To begin, we're going to single crochet 5 around the side of the hair tie. And chain 2 and turn, and the chain 2 does count as a stitch throughout the pattern, so because it counts as this stitch, we're going to work into the next one. So this is 1 double crochet, 2, 3, we're just working a double crochet in each stitch across, and right into the very end one here. That's 5, and chain 2 and turn your work, and we're going to skip the next stitch and work right into our middle stitch, and we're going to double crochet 3, chain 2, 3 more double crochets into that same stitch, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet right into the end stitch, chain 2, turn your work, and we're going to work right into our chain 2 space from the previous row, and we're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and work 3 double crochets into that same space, and we're going to work a double crochet right into that end stitch, chain 2, turn your work. Now we're going to chain 4, and we're going to work right into the middle in between our clusters here 2 rows down. So we're going to work right into this stitch in the middle and single crochet, and we have our chain here we made, and we're going to single crochet around it, and we're going to single crochet 5. Now we're going to work in our chain 2 space, and we're going to double crochet 3, and chain 2, and double crochet 3 into that same space. Now we're going to go ahead and chain 4, and once again we're going to single crochet into our space in between those clusters 2 rows down, and we're going to single crochet 5 around that chain we made. If you need to turn your work to do that, if it's easier, that's fine. And now we're going to double crochet into our last stitch. And chain 2 and turn your work. And now we're just going to work into our space, our 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 double crochets. And now we're going to double crochet into our last stitch. And chain 2 and turn. And we're just going to keep repeating what we've done the last 2 rows. So we're going to chain 4, work a single crochet in between our clusters, not in this row, but the next row under, and single crochet around our chain 5 times. Now we're going to work into our chain 2 space, and we're going to work 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and work 3 double crochets. Now chain 4, single crochet again in between those 2 clusters, and single crochet 5 around the chain you made, and double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 2, 3 double crochets into that chain 2 space, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same space. And double crochet into your end stitch. And I think it helps sometimes to count over this cluster. That's 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. So I know my end stitch is right after that. And chain 2 and turn. And we're going to chain 4 and just keep repeating this pattern. That's it. Just keep repeating those 2 rows, and you'll see how you're getting this pretty texture in the front. And so we're just going to keep doing that until our piece measures 10.5 inches for a young toddler, 12.5 inches for the toddler size, 14.5 inches for the child size, and 16.5 inches for the adult size. So keep continuing that pattern, and I will meet you right back. So I'm measuring my piece. I'm making the adult size, and it measures 16.5 inches. And I'm going to finish with the wrong side facing up and bring the other end of my band we're going to skip the first stitch and work in the second and single crochet around the hair tie, and single crochet around in the next stitch, single crochet around in the chain 2 space, and we're going to skip the next stitch and single crochet around in the last stitch, and that way we end with 5 stitches, and you can go ahead and fasten off and weave in your ends. And I just finished weaving in all my ends, and there you have your beautiful textured headband. I will post the written pattern in the description to my blog. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.